The Nefu Desert, a vast expanse of sand and silence. The sheer emptiness of this place is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It seems an unlikely place to find clues about our earliest ancestors. The harsh conditions and relentless sun make it a challenging environment for any form of life. Yet, in 2017, something incredible emerged from beneath the sands. Hidden for millennia, the desert began to reveal its secrets. A team of archaeologists exploring an ancient lakebed stumbled upon a remarkable discovery. They found footprints. These were not just any footprints, but human footprints. Not just any footprints, but human footprints dating back an astonishing 115,000 years. These ancient marks were perfectly preserved in the once wet sediment. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. It was a find that would change our understanding of human history. It challenged long-held assumptions about early human migration patterns. The footprints suggested that early humans had ventured into regions previously thought uninhabitable. The Nefu Desert, previously considered an arid and inhospitable environment, suddenly became a key location for understanding the story of our species. It was a place where ancient humans once thrived. The footprints offered a tantalizing glimpse into a distant past, when our ancestors roamed a very different Arabian landscape. A landscape that was once lush and teeming with life. The footprints were more than just impressions in the sand. They were a direct connection to our ancient past. They were echoes of lives lived millennia ago. Each step captured in the sediment told a story of survival and adaptation. They whispered tales of journeys undertaken, challenges faced, and the enduring human spirit. These ancient travelers left behind a legacy etched in the earth. The discovery ignited a firestorm of excitement and curiosity, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and raising more questions than answers. It was a moment that captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. What were these early humans doing in the Nefu Desert? Where were they going? These questions sparked new research and exploration. And what can their footprints tell us about our shared human story? The answers lie buried in the sands, waiting to be uncovered. The footprints were found in an area known as the Trace, a place that has long intrigued scientists and historians alike. This site was once a lakebed, a watering hole in the heart of the desert. It was a vital source of life in an otherwise harsh and unforgiving environment. Thousands of years ago, animals and humans alike would have gathered here, their tracks imprinted in the soft mud surrounding the water's edge. These footprints tell a story of survival, of daily life, and of the interactions between species. Over time, the lake dried up, the mud hardened, and the footprints were buried beneath layers of sediment. The once bustling watering hole became a silent, forgotten place. The discovery was made possible by erosion. Wind and weather gradually wore away the overlying sediment, revealing the ancient footprints beneath. Nature itself became an unwitting archaeologist, uncovering secrets long hidden. It was a stroke of luck, a chance encounter with the ghosts of the past. The footprints emerged as if they were waiting to be found to tell their story once more. But it was also a testament to the meticulous work of the archaeologists who recognized the significance of what they had found. Their dedication and expertise turned a chance discovery into a window into ancient life. The footprints were remarkably well preserved, offering a rare opportunity to study the anatomy and movement of our early ancestors. Each print was a snapshot in time, a moment frozen in the earth. They were not alone. Hundreds of animal tracks were also found at the site, including those of elephants, which roamed the area in large herds, camels, which were essential for transport and survival, and giant buffalo, which were a source of food and materials. This painted a vivid picture of a lost world, a time when the Arabian Peninsula was a very different place. It was a land of abundance, teeming with life, a stark contrast to the arid desert we see today. Determining the age of the footprints was crucial. These footprints held the key to understanding a significant chapter in human history. Scientists used a technique called optically stimulated luminescence, or OSL, dating. This advanced method allowed them to unlock the secrets buried within the grains of sand. This method measures the last time sand grains were exposed to sunlight. By doing so, it provides a timeline that stretches back thousands of years. By analyzing the sand surrounding the footprints, researchers were able to pinpoint their age with remarkable accuracy. The results were astounding, revealing a timeline that was previously unimaginable. The footprints were estimated to be around 115,000 years old. This discovery was groundbreaking, providing new insights into the lives of our ancient ancestors. This placed them among the oldest known human footprints outside of Africa, significantly pushing back the timeline for early human migration. It suggested that humans ventured out of Africa much earlier than previously believed. The discovery challenged the prevailing narrative of human history, suggesting that our ancestors ventured out of Africa far earlier and traveled much further than previously thought. This new evidence painted a picture of early humans as intrepid explorers. The dating of the footprints had profound implications. It reshaped our understanding of human migration and adaptation. It meant that these early humans were alive during a period of significant climatic and environmental change. They faced challenges that required ingenuity and resilience. They were navigating a world in flux, adapting to new challenges and opportunities. Their ability to survive and thrive in such conditions speaks volumes about their resourcefulness. Their footprints were a testament to their resilience and their capacity for innovation. These ancient marks in the sand tell a story of survival, adaptation, and the enduring human spirit. Section 4. A Green Arabia. To understand the significance of the Nefu Desert footprints, we need to travel back in time to a period known as the last interglacial. During this time, the Arabian Peninsula was a very different place than the arid desert we know today. The climate was wetter and more hospitable, supporting a diverse range of plant and animal life. The Nefu Desert, now a vast sea of sand, was once a verdant landscape dotted with lakes and crisscrossed by rivers. This Green Arabia was a haven for wildlife, attracting herds of grazing animals and the predators that hunted them. It was also a corridor for early humans migrating out of Africa. The presence of human footprints alongside animal tracks at the trace site suggests that these early humans were part of this ecosystem. They were not simply passing through, but were actively interacting with their environment, hunting, gathering, and competing for resources with other animals. Section 5. Footprints in Time. The Nefu Desert footprints provided more than just a date and location. They offered tantalizing clues about the physical characteristics and behavior of these early humans. Analysis of the footprints revealed that they were likely made by Homo sapiens, not Neanderthals. The size and shape of the footprints suggested that the individuals who made them were taller and heavier than modern humans. Their gait, the way they walked, also differed slightly from ours. This information, gleaned from the footprints, helped to build a more complete picture of our ancestors, adding another piece to the puzzle of human evolution. The footprints also hinted at the challenges these early humans faced. The presence of so many footprints in one location suggested that this was a popular watering hole, a vital resource in the arid landscape. The footprints were a reminder of the constant struggle for survival that defined the lives of our ancestors.